Do you want to improve the efficiency of your energy management? I'm going to show maybe the perfect fit. It is a battery storage system from the Norwegian manufacturer Pixii. The indoor version is rated at 50 kilowatts with a capacity of 100 kilowatt-hours. The indoor version you see next to me is fully operational and live. Pixii also manufactures an outdoor version with an aluminum cabinet and IP55 protection. There is also a plug-and-play version available on a mounting platform. This particular system is ideal for commercial buildings and industrial operations. It offers fast return on investments thanks to the optimized self-consumption, reduction in costly peak demand charges, so-called peak shaving, support for frequency balancing and other grid services, very low operating costs, development, production and service are located in Europe, cybersecurity ensured by European servers and a 10-year warranty if you buy it from SOLSOL. One of Pixii's unique features is the ability to replace an inverter without having to shut down the entire system. Each inverter operates independently, and the system is modular. This allows for quick service and zero downtime. There is no waiting for repairs or replacements. Swapping out a faulty inverter takes just seconds. Even I can do it. The same applies to battery modules. They can be easily bypassed. Pixii can easily be integrated into an existing PV system or grid. It's open for EMS integration and it can be scaled in the future, whether by adding more modules or by increasing capacity. Thanks to this scalability, the capacity is virtually unlimited.
We chose Pixii because it's made in Europe and the service and support is easy to get. We are going to use Pixii for peak shaving and balancing services. Pixii is compatible with multiple of battery manufacturers, so when the batteries reach the end of their lifetime, we won't be tied to a single battery supplier.
If you are looking for a smart solution to boost your facility's energy independence, Pixii is a wise choice. Come and visit our reference installation or tell us about your energy needs. We'll design the right system for you.